and speak to us, please? Can you come and speak to us, please?
Have you got a problem?
No, okay.
I wasn't dressed.
Come in?
No, you can't.
Well, okay, let me explain and then you might want to invite us in.
No, right.
Okay, well, let me speak. We've had a police helicopter in the sky tonight and they've had a laser shone at them. It's come from this address and they've got thermal imaging. Someone in this address shining the laser.
I'll tell you what, you go and get the evidence.
No, I'll tell you what, listen, we need to come into the address.
Yeah, I'll come in now.
Okay, listen to me, this isn't an option.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not, because if you don't comply with us, we're going to have to arrest you for the offence of endangering an aircraft.
I haven't done anything. There's no offence been made from this property.
We don't know unless we engage and you talk to us.
I'm talking.
Okay. So tonight, police helicopter. Have you seen it in the sky?
I've heard like a Cessna plane flying about or something.
Yeah. Is it just you inside it? Yeah.
What's your name, sorry?
If you're not going to comply with us, then we're going to have to...
Well, just get my camera, because you're recording me.
Yeah.
Do not come in this property.
We are.
No.
We've got the powers of entry in this property. Look, we're trying to work with you here.
Out.
Can you take your hand off me?
Get out. Out. No, get off me. Get off me. You can't touch me. You can't touch me.
Hands off me now.
You can't touch me.
You're under arrest for endangering the safety of an aircraft. You do not have to say anything, but to make home defence, just something which later on, and if you do say, maybe give it evidence.